YouTube. Welcome back, guys. As you can see, well, you cannot see because actually this is the first time I cop the shoes at the Supreme website. Okay, so this is the Air Force One mid-top. That is a collaboration with the NBA. So I was surprised that I copped these shoes. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. Hopefully there's no invoice in here. See, the box is kind of scratchy or scratched up. I'm not sure if that is due to the, wow, Supreme. Oh, nice. So you got the Nike swoosh. Just do it, okay? Then the box is made in China. And this is the original. Give you guys a 360 at the box real quick. There's an indentation right here, but it's fine. Supreme. And this is one of the E letter that is bent down. And then that's the part of the Nike swoosh logo. And then the Supreme right here. So you got this nice shiny finish right here, Nike, and then swoosh logo right there. So this is the Air Force One mid-top 07 Supreme, size 9. UK is size 8 or 40.5. Retail is $165 plus $10 shipping plus tax. And you got this metal ring right there, or the hole. Let's go ahead and get this special unboxing for you guys to check it out. Wow, look at spanking new. Okay, there's nothing right there. So the tissue paper, it says Nike and Supreme on top of each other, repetitive. And then you gotta make sure there's a number right here so you know it's legit and authentic. Ooh. Maybe don't want to put it on at all. Oh my god. Nice. Look at that. Orlando Magic, Chicago Bulls. Indiana Pacers. Got the net, 76er. Is that a Piston? So you got this Nike Swoosh Air, and then it is embroidery on there. Okay. Got the Supreme, Cleveland Cavaliers, New York Knicks, Boston Celtics. I like this part right here. It says 2018, and then Air Force One-1, and then it has Supreme on the bottom. And you got the Supreme embroidery right here on this strap. Got this swoosh logo, reverse. Wow, and then on the tongue, it says Nike Air Force One Supreme. Ooh, look at the midsole. I'm not sure if you can see the midsole, but you guys want to see the midsole? Oh, I don't ruin the shoes. Wow. The midsole is pink. There's a Supreme and then Nike Air on there. Let's see if I can try to take it out. I don't want to scrape it or something. You got the size label right there. It's going to be hard to see. And then it says made in Vietnam right there. Let me see if I can try to take it out the midsole so you gotta check it out. I don't know why am I doing this, but hopefully I'm not gonna ruin it. Is it glued down or what? Yeah, it seems like it's glued down, so I'm not gonna take it out. And then let me turn on the flash so you guys can see it better. Okay, as you can see, the size label is right there on top of the Supreme. So I'm not sure why they put it on top of the Supreme and then the Nike Air. And inside you can see the Knicks. Some other teams in there, Chicago Bulls, and then Boston Celtics, Indiana Pacer. What's the other one in there? Detroit Piston, Orlando Magic. Okay, and that's all the team that's in there. And this is the bottom sole. Got your air. Let's come and check out the other shoes. Got the Thunder, OKC, and then the Portland Trailblazers, Phoenix Sun. What's this one? Wolf? Timberwolf? Yeah. Then you got this Golden State Warriors. Got the, cannot miss the Los Angeles Lakers. Maverick, Supreme again. Houston Rockets. San Antonio Spurs. So I forgot to show you guys the what is graphic on the left of the insole. So let's go ahead and then go over real quick. So as you see, they still have that sticker on top of the Supreme and Nike. And you have this Thunder OKC on the right hand side. And moving in, we got the Los Angeles Lakers. And then San Antonio Spurs. And we have the Portland Trail Blazer. And then all the way inside, we have the Houston Rockets. You cannot see all the way in there, but let's see. You just have these all the way in there, right there, right there, right there. Look at shine reflection in there. So anyway, yeah, so that's why I'll try to show you guys what's on the insole, okay? Alright guys, so let me try to see if I could give you guys on feed real quick, guys. So this is what it look like, guys. I know the mid top is gonna be kind of hard for me to put in, but we'll see. Yeah, it is tough to get in because it's a mid top. Well, anyway, guys, so I'm not gonna put it in because I gotta unlace all those laces. I'm just gonna put the feet on the outside and let you guys see it, okay? I don't want to mess the shoes up. Seems like this is a collectible. Whoever wants to buy it, they don't want people to use it or wear on or on feet. All right, guys. How do you like my shoes? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, guys, Hopefully you guys like this video. Give a thumbs up. And then subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet. If you guys are new, please be sure to hit that sub. And then turn on the bell for notification, guys. And drop any comments down below. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always. Peace out.